If you think traditional security is enough, think again. FINALDRAFT is here to prove you wrong. FINALDRAFT Malware is exploiting Microsoft's Graph API to conduct cyber espionage on Windows and Linux systems. Government agencies, telecoms, universities, no one is safe. So how can businesses in West Houston protect themselves? Impress IT Solutions has the answer. Our advanced threat detection, network security, and endpoint protection keep you one step ahead. FINALDRAFT uses stolen credentials, downloads malware with Certudal, and evades detection by hijacking trusted applications like mspaint.x. And it's sneaky, using Outlook drafts for command and control. Impress IT Solutions fights back with real-time threat detection, blocking malware before it spreads. 1. AI security, detecting unusual activity and lateral movements. 0 trust access, keeping unauthorized users out. We also secure emails, prevent Graph API abuse, and monitor the dark web for stolen credentials. And if an incident happens, we contain, investigate, and recover swiftly. Businesses in West Houston, don't wait for an attack. Contact Impress IT Solutions for a free cybersecurity assessment. Stay safe, stay ahead.